Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to know when I go live, click the bell notification. Most of you are not subscribed. Hopefully that changes today. All right, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a bacon cheeseburger quesadilla. And we got to make up a real simple, quick sauce for it. So, in my deli container here, I have 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. To that, I added 2 tablespoons of dill relish. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. And, of course, salt and pepper. And then you just want to give this a whisk, mix everything together, and leave in the fridge for, at least an hour. Okie dokie. To a pan over medium heat, we have about 1 pound of burger that I've salted and peppered. And we're just going to cook this up, chopping it up as we go. Okie dokie. As you can see here, we have our burger returned to the pan after it's been drained. And now we're going to add 1 cup of ketchup, 1/3 of a cup of mustard, scrape a little bit more of that ketchup out there. And then you want to add 6 strips of bacon that I chopped up. And finally, we want to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce, or however you pronounce that. I think it's Worcestershire sauce. Anyway, you want to give this a good stir, make sure everything is all combined. And then you want to simmer this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let everything get all happy. Okie dokie. As you can see here, we have our tortilla that's been nice and warmed up. And I added a little bit of cheddar cheese to the bottom. Now I'm adding a bit of the hamburger bacon cheeseburger mix that I made. Again, you make these as thick or as thin as you want. Some of our bacon cheeseburger quesadilla sauce. A bit more cheese. And then let's fold it over, bring it to the griddle. All right, as you can see here, I've brushed some melted butter on our quesadilla. It's now griddling up nicely. Give it a couple of minutes, and it'll be golden brown. All right, quesadilla is golden brown and done. One last thing to do, get a knife and chop it into 4 pieces. Might have been a little crispy, but it stuck together. And anyway, that's a bacon cheeseburger quesadilla. Done.